What's up, YouTubers? I am back with another easy step-by-step affordable recipe. I'm about to show you how to make some cornbread chili. It's a great dish for the wintertime. Also great for a huge family. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and get you some ground beef. Now I live by myself. If you have a bigger family, you want to double the ingredients for this recipe. Next, you just want to go ahead and get you some Jiffy cornbread mix. I decided to go with honey. Next, you want to season your meat lightly. I decided to go with salt, pepper, oregano, and some V's premium garlic powder. This is to ensure not to overpower the taste of the honey in your cornbread. Next, you just want to cut up some onions. Go ahead and throw it over in your cooking meat and give it a nice little stir up. Next, you just want to get you some chili beans and chili sauce. I decided to go with kidney and pinto beans mixture. Go ahead and empty the can over into your cooking meat with your onions. Go ahead and stir that up real good. If you'd like to see more step-by-step recipes, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Next you want to do is go ahead and start on your cornbread mixture. Next, you just want to crack you 1 egg. If you are using 2 boxes, crack 2 eggs. Next, you just want to go ahead and add you some milk. If you're not sure about the amount, simply read the box or slowly pour the milk over into your cornbread mixture until you get this type of consistency as you continue to stir your mixture. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and pour your chili mixture over into your preferred baking pan. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see more easy step-by-step recipes. Next, you want to make sure the chili mix is flat. Then you want to add your cornbread mixture on top. Make sure you do not have no chili showing at all. Now, don't forget, in the description is V's Premium Store link, V's Premium Garlic Powder link. Also in the description is all other social media platforms. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you'd like to see more easy, affordable, step-by-step recipes like this. Now, next thing you want to do is make sure the cornbread mixture is covering the whole pan of chili, no matter what size you prefer. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and put your oven on at 350. Put your pan in there until it browns on top. Take it out, let it cool. Now you got yourself some cornbread chili. Dig in. This is a great dish for the wintertime. Great for a huge family and even a single person. If you'd like to see more easy step-by-step recipes, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. All other social media platforms is in the description. Enjoy.